Some football news now. After spending just 6 years in top-flight football, Mount Pleasant FA will be contesting their third final of the Nephew Jamaica Premier League when they take on title holders Cavalier at the National Stadium on Friday in a 7 p.m. encounter.
This season, Mount Pleasant FA have been in a bullish mood, breaking records along the way to finish the regular season on 93 points. They've beaten everyone in front of them at least twice, with the exception of their finals opponent, Cavalier, who they have beaten only once.
Again, it's the game in front here that counts. It's always the next game, so we're looking forward to the next game.
But Mount Pleasant's record could have been tarnished had the JFF ruled against them following an inquiry made by Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed about an alleged ineligibility rule breach by two of the Centon-based club's players. Even so, Mount Pleasant's coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore doesn't hold any grudges going into the final.
I hold nothing against anyone, nothing against anyone here. Everything is down to football, and it's what happened on the football field. I don't care what take place off the field. I'm more focused on what take place on the field.
Sule Makala has been the man leading the team. The taste of being champion still lingers from 2023, but he knows how sweeter it can be in 2025.
That night when I won the title, I must say it was, the feeling was hard to explain, because, we've been fighting from 2018, to be at the top of this competition. So, winning that title that night, it was such a wonderful feeling. So this Friday, I think it would be very special because I think we missed out last season. I think we deserved more last season. So definitely this Friday coming, we will give it everything to be champion.
And the man who has been given the opportunity to protect the goal is custodian Tafari Chambers. He will have to be on his toes for the quick attacking Cavalier team.
They are a good team, they run a lot, so, and they have a never give up spirit. They run to the last minute, so they are a really good team.
Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.